Let's listen in as the team discuss the fourth phase, transforming knowledge into wisdom.
Prescriptive analytics is about using data to help us make better decisions. There are many ways in which the business world uses data to help make better decisions, but the two main approaches are scenario analysis and optimization. Let's talk about scenario analysis.
What do we use it for?
For decision-making under uncertainty, when we have different options, to find out what is most likely to give us the best result.
What's wrong with my analysis? We know how much it will cost and what we'll make.
Do we know what we'll make in 10 years?
Not with certainty.
Is building a $1.5 million store the only option?
No, we could build a big, small, or no store.
There are so many different store and demand combination possibilities.
Daniel understands that the future can consist of many different possibilities, and his simple analysis does not reflect that uncertainty.